sounds so much fun. Get up early and polish the car, like we're going someplace cool, like the beach. Is it just me, or does her house smell like an old antique store couch? Yeah, and besides that, I'm the one she latches on to listen to all her old stories. Well, I'm sorry if I can appreciate her wisdom right now. And Dad, let's face it, even you can admit the lady's a little bit crazy. One day, I was going into the kitchen to get myself a drink, and I heard her talking to somebody. I didn't want to disturb her, so I was really quiet. She was asking Grandpa how much salt he liked in the stew, and he's been dead for 10 years. 10 years! I mean, come on! And besides that, and another thing, I'm sorry. And her cooking is awful too. And oh, what was that disgusting stuff she made us last time for supper? Boiled okra? That's just wrong. It felt like a hairy clam going down my throat. It took me 3 or 4 sips of coke after each bite to get